great massage chair can help with recovery, stress, and everyday muscle tension, but a bad one just takes up space. Today, I'm ranking the 8 best massage chairs of 2026, from affordable full-body models to premium 5D massage systems. Links are in the description with updated pricing. Let's get into it. Opening at number 8, the T-Life massage chair is the entry point on this list, and it delivers a genuinely solid feature set for a chair at this price point. The 50-inch SL track runs from head to legs, covering the full spine curve, including the lumbar region and upper glutes that shorter tracks miss entirely. The smart AI shoulder detection scans your body before each session and adjusts the massage location and back width to match your specific proportions, which matters because a roller that misses your shoulder muscle entirely isn't doing anything useful. 12 preset massage programs cover different body parts and age-specific needs, and 6 massage techniques, including shiatsu and tapping, provide variety across sessions. The foot massage feature uses rolling massage and acupressure stimulation to relieve tension in tired feet. For buyers entering the massage chair market who want smart body scanning and SL track coverage without paying mid-tier prices, the TLIFE delivers honest performance at an entry-level price. Number 7 is the Fernomat 2026. The roller configuration is notable. 8 fixed rollers on the back and 2 additional rollers on the hips extend coverage to areas that standard chair designs miss. 4-foot rollers provide deep tissue massage to ease foot tension, and 8 airbags on the shoulders, arms, hips, and legs simulate kneading across the full body. The zero-gravity mode tilts the chair back to 165 degrees with one touch, distributing body weight evenly and reducing pressure on the spine and heart. The smart touchscreen eliminates the remote control fumbling that makes many massage chairs frustrating to operate. Everything is accessible directly from the panel, and a built-in phone holder turns the chair into a genuine entertainment space. The FSC-certified wooden frame is a detail worth noting for buyers who care about sustainable sourcing. 2-box delivery is designed to fit through doorways with a minimum 26-inch width. Check your access before purchasing. A genuinely well-rounded chair for the price. At number 6, the Kolanta massage chair steps up the SL track to 53 inches, one of the longest track lengths on this list, and pairs it with a full coverage airbag system and zero-gravity capsule design that delivers a noticeably more complete massage experience than the entry-level picks below it. The automatic body detection at Power On runs a 1-minute body scan to customize the massage before your session begins. 5 automatic programs – Relax, Deep Tissue, Tie, Stretch, and Sleep – cover the primary use cases that drive most massage chair purchases, and the manual customization lets you adjust track position and intensity beyond those presets. The thermotherapy heating in the lumbar and calf areas accelerates blood circulation, and the heat builds gradually over approximately 30 minutes of use, reaching its most effective temperature during a full session rather than immediately. For buyers who want a 53-inch SL track, body scanning, and a comprehensive airbag system at a mid-range price, the Kolanta delivers strong value. Number 5 is the Tentito, and this chair earns its position by adding a technology and user experience layer that the picks below it don't offer. The 52-inch SL track with Thai Yoga stretch mode enhances flexibility alongside standard massage techniques, and the auto-scan shoulder detection before each session ensures roller positioning is accurate to your specific body. 8 massage techniques across 12 preset modes provide the widest technique variety in this price range, and the 3 adjustable speeds and air pressure intensities let you fine-tune intensity beyond preset programs. The voice control via AI recognition handles chair functions hands-free, genuinely useful when you're fully reclined in zero gravity and don't want to reach for a panel. The LED backlit touchscreen is clearly readable in low-light conditions. The Bluetooth speakers handle audio well, and the chair ships fully assembled and factory tested. Unbox, plug in, and use. The top 4 are the Kyoto M380 Genki. The 4-node traveling roller system with 360-degree sweeping technology is the hardware foundation that separates the Genki from mid-range chairs. 4 rollers moving through the full massage path deliver a coverage depth and consistency that 2 roller systems simply can't match. You feel the difference immediately in how comprehensively the back musculature is addressed. Triple shiatsu rollers for each foot and calf extend that same quality of coverage to the lower extremities. The full suite of massage styles, traditional Japanese shiatsu, tapping, and rolling, covers the technique range that serious massage chair users want. And the 12 automatic routines alongside full manual controls for air intensity, foot rollers, and zone mapping give you both convenience and customization. For buyers who want professional quality massage hardware at a mid-tier price point, the Kyoto M380 Genki is the pick. The bronze medal goes to the HealthRelife 4D massage chair, and the jump from the chairs below it to this one is immediately noticeable in the hardware specification. The 55-inch S Plus L track is the longest on this list, and the hyperbolic rail design follows a more complex curve than standard SL tracks, adapting to neck, shoulders, back, waist, hips, and legs with a closer body fit. The dual V-massage robot system enables closer, deeper massage contact than single robot designs, and the combination of 10 massage modes, 11 techniques, and 40 airbag points across the body, with 3 levels of adjustable airbag pressure, gives you a level of customization that lower-tier chairs can't approach. The calf massage position adjusts individually to the user's size, a detail that matters because calf and lower leg dimensions vary enormously between users, and most chairs use a fixed position that works for some and misses others. The zero-gravity positioning at 135 and 118 degrees raises thighs and calves above heart level for genuine spinal pressure relief. Number 2 is the Osaki OS 3D Champ 2. The advanced 3D massage mechanism is the core differentiator. 3D technology adds depth control to the standard 2-dimensional roller movement. Rollers extend outward from the track to penetrate deeper into muscle tissue, replicating the feel of a therapist's hands applying genuine pressure rather than rollers gliding across the surface. For deep tissue relief and therapeutic muscle work, this depth control is the feature that separates premium massage chairs from mid-range alternatives. The cell-style track follows the natural spinal curvature from neck to thighs, and the lumbar heating therapy loosens tight muscles and promotes deeper relaxation during the session. 3-stage zero-gravity positioning elevates legs above the heart for maximum spinal pressure reduction and circulation enhancement. For serious buyers who want 3D depth control and therapeutic-grade performance at a premium but not flagship price, the Osaki OS 3D Champ 2 is the pick. The best massage chair of 2026 is the Fujiryoki JP4000. And if you know anything about the massage chair industry, this result shouldn't surprise you. The 5D massage technology is what puts the JP4000 in a category of its own on this list. Where 3D adds depth control to 2-dimensional roller movement, 5D adds speed variation and rhythm changes that replicate the dynamic quality of actual human hands. Variability in pressure, pace, and technique that makes a skilled therapist's hands feel fundamentally different from a mechanical roller's. 8 separate massage zones allow precise targeting of specific areas of tension and stress in a way that full-track systems with fewer zones can't replicate. This is the chair you buy when you're done compromising and you want the best massage technology available in a home chair. For chronic pain management, serious recovery work, or simply the best daily relaxation experience that technology can currently deliver in a home environment, the Fujiryoki JP4000 is the definitive answer. Number 1, and it's not a close call. That's your complete ranked list, the 8 best massage chairs of 2026. All the links are in the description, updated regularly so pricing is always current. If this video helped you find the right chair, hit the like button. It genuinely helps the channel. Subscribe if you haven't already because we cover every major product category with this same depth and detail. I'll see you in the next one.